Hey guys, this is Nick here at Step 1 Chevrolet. I'm gonna do a quick walk around for you on the 2025 2500 Silverado. This vehicle also has our 6.6 liter V8 gas burner, as well as your power folding side mirrors. This vehicle also has a multi-flex tailgate. Push the bottom button to drop it, and the top button to open your step. Once your step is open, you do have a handle here to access and enter the tailgate to get to your gooseneck or fifth wheel package once it's set up. This vehicle also comes with wireless charging as well as a 30-inch display screen, also a hidden glove box compartment. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Nick here at Step 1 Chevrolet again. I hope you liked the video of the 2025 2500. If you have any more questions or concerns, give me a call or come see me at Step 1 Chevrolet, 205-481-0764.